All right, we got Jimmy on the hot seat. Ask Jimmy, the leasing manager at Good Life. Jimmy, what area rents the fastest right now?
Yeah, so most areas in San Diego rent pretty quickly, but in my experience, usually Pacific Beach, those 1 and 2 bedroom units, those rent really quickly.
Okay, cool. We're at a property now that has a storm cellar. That's very unusual. Jimmy, have you been down there?
No, I have not. I'm afraid to go down there, Steve. Looks like it could be haunted down there.
What's the strangest thing you've ever seen at a property besides that?
Ooh, I have a couple good ones. The first one being I saw a tenant convert a bedroom into a recording studio, and they kind of installed foam siding on all of the walls there. And then I think the second one that actually happened recently is we had a tenant move out due to some alleged paranormal activity. So that was an interesting one.
Yikes. Scary. What's the best tip to rent properties faster, Jimmy?
Yeah, so a good tip to get your property rented out quicker is to swap out that old carpet for either LVP flooring or even tile as well. Usually hard surface flooring helps a property rent out quicker.
Finally, Jimmy, what's one myth about rental property that you'd like to debunk?
Yeah, so I run into this quite a bit, but a lot of owners typically will think that if their mortgage is X amount of dollars, that they'll have to rent their property out for that certain amount. And yeah, I think that's a huge myth within the rental property industry. The market kind of sets the rental price, and I think it's important to remember that.
Very nice. All right, well, get your flashlight, head down there, and we'll see you soon, Jimmy.